How to request additional checked baggage allowance. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to request additional checked baggage allowance. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video till the end. So the first thing you have to do is that you log into trip.com. Make sure you have an account with them. That is, you've signed in or you signed up in trip.com website already. Okay, so now once you've signed in, at the top left corner you're going to see the trip.com logo. You see hotels, you see several other options like hotels, flights, trains, cars, attractions and tours, bundle and so on. You also see at the top right corner you see the trip coins, you see your profile icon, you see help icon, so you can click on the help icon if you are facing any challenge using the website. Okay, so back to the question, how to request additional checked baggage allowance. So once you're on your booking process, you check the left side of the screen, and here you're going to see recommended filters. So under recommended filters you see checked baggage included. So you click on checked baggage included, then you wait for it to load. So here it has loaded. It means it has been added to your flight. Okay, so this is basically how to request additional checked baggage allowance. Remember, you log into the website, and once you're on the process of booking your flights, check the left side of your screen under filters, under recommended filter, and you're going to see the option to click on checked baggage included at the left side of your screen. So you click on it and it will be automatically added. So this is basically how to request additional checked baggage allowance. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.